What day is it? What time is it? Will we ever know again? Because our lives are not our own during Karen Reed's retrial, well, repersecution 2.0. My goodness, we are seeing it in real time. And what? Yeah, right? What are we seeing? Well, right here. Hello there, my darlings. This is Lady Zelda Kelly. I'm coming to you. Well, of course, I'm coming to you live, but I'm not live streaming right now. Look, I'm just trying to make you smile because today has been one of those days that you just don't know if you want to roll your eyes or you want to kick a can or you just want to say, shut up and sit down, demon. I think that's what I was doing. If this is any indication of how things are going to progress during this trial, get ready, my darlings. Get out the legal pads. Get out your paper. Get out your pencils. Because there's a lot of note-taking going on. I have copious notes. And it's been crazy. But today is Monday, day 9. It's the evening. And I'm here to not go over trial points because you know what? There are a lot of wonderful people doing that. I want to see what the energy is saying. I want to see what's next because I'm going to tell you something. There is someone coming up on the witness list that I will shut down everything. I will not, I'm serious. I want to hang on this witness at every word. Here's a little hint. I did a couple of videos about this witness last July. But as we go forward now, this has been, Lieutenant, well, no longer Lieutenant Gallagher, but this McLaughlin chick that was on the stand today and the snark that came out. I don't know if you saw a picture of Robert Alessi, but when they were talking about the solo cups evidence collection, there's a picture of him with his head down, holding his head in his one hand, like, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. This is so ridiculous. I feel like I'm on an episode of Dumb Crook News. I digress. Let's get started. But I got a little treat. I got a little treat for you. I have a little somebody that wants to come by. Now, it was kind of loud last night with the white noise. I'm going to take the white noise off. I want to see, while I'm reading cards, what our friend has to say. You'll hear it. It'll be ticking. Tick, tick, boom. Let me move a few things around, make some room, and I'm going to just leave this out while I'm pulling a few cards and while I'm asking questions. Yes, I am fidgeting around, but I just can't help myself. Here we are. I'm going to make it so you can see. Every time a word comes out, see, we've got a word that's about ready to come out. I've already cleared this. I've already basically gave the understanding, I'm going to say it that way, no other energy but John O'Keefe. Tell us, oh John. All right, here we are. We're going to put this to the side right here. And I'm going to pull out a few cards. I have the Piotnik deck. I have the House of Zelda, the Mythic Tarot, the Kipper. This is just getting beyond, right? I'm going to put these to the side. We're not going to look at the cloth tonight because I already have this here. So we're in good shape. Putting everything to the side. Well, you can look. I'm going to just help to take the wrinkles out. All right, we're asking our guides. And I'm going to fix this because it looks like it keeps wanting to bounce, and there we are. I don't like to see this jumping. Sometimes it does that. All right, you can tell us, what are you thinking of this day 9 in court? What are you thinking? Where do you think we're headed? Here we go. First word out. Unexpected news. I still think that's coming. And this comes out quite often. We're going to put it right here. Unexpected news. What kind of unexpected news? John's energy, can you give us an idea of the unexpected news? Cards with EVPs. I may be doing this more often because I can't go live that often. Not as a, look at this, 2 black cats. And you know what? The 2s. Just remember, we're going to hear more about 227. And that's coming up, river. That's this particular word right here. Let me see if I can get it so you can see it. Can you see it there? Yeah. River. The lighting isn't good, but that's what it says. Maybe you probably see it better down there. Most likely. Okay. Another word is about to come out, but look. We have 2 black cats telling us unexpected news, and it's going to be something that is serious. That is coming, and I'm going to tell you that is coming soon, and what I have been seeing for quite some time. Let's pull another one of these. I like these cards. Make sure they don't stick. The weather's been a little on the weird. Overlooked evidence. Oh, this ought to be good. We're going to put that there. We're going to put that there. Now, I'm going to take the Kipper deck. Now, I always pre-shuffle before we come and we visit together. But I do like to shuffle before we get started. Courtship. Well, that is the CW. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Concern. Okay. Oh, do you see this word? Funeral. Maybe if I hold it like this, you can see it a little better. Oh, brother. I don't have anything I can put it on. All right, we're going to put these to the side just for a minute. This is the CW dedicated, courting this case, making sure that they're not letting go. They are engaged. That's what that means. They are tethered. Now, this child card, this is a new beginning. And that is what is concerning the CW, because believe me, we are coming to a new beginning with the defense team. Bed. I don't know what bed means, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's just keep going. That's the next word. Bed. I'm going to lay out a couple of these mythic tarots. And then there's some questions I want to ask, because there's something here that doesn't sit right with me. And you can tell me that you think I think that's kind of funny to have this particular card out. Don't you? I got to tuck it in here. Y'all know why. I think it's kind of funny that we have that one word and then we have this. Now look, this is entertainment purposes only. I am not a lawyer, not medical. I'm not predicting anything like that because, well, I don't. But what I will tell you, let me see if I can fix this so you can see it a little better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we might be getting somewhere here. We'll just leave it like that. Maybe. So I'm not predicting. Talk is what it says. Okay. I'm not predicting anything like this. The Ten of Pentacles. The Nine of Wands. That's where the CW's case is right now. You see the Ten of Pentacles. And I'm going to say this could be the death of this case. If they continue to go on the way they are, I mean, how long will the CW remain engaged to this case? But there's more news and there's more bombshells coming out. And you know, today I do have to tell you this, and I got this information from a very reliable source. And I believe him because I know he has seen the receipts, okay? You know today how Alan Jackson kept asking this paramedic, McLaughlin, that was on the witness stand about did Chris Albert make the appointment for her to, I don't know, see a detective, talk to law enforcement, whatever it was, and she kept denying it, kept denying it, kept denying it. Well, my darlings, the feds, the FBI, turned over the receipts for that. They have proof that Chris Albert made her appointment with law enforcement to give a statement. We'll leave it at that. This Ten of Pentacles. Now, I love Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Pentacles are the 4 P's, but I'm going to add one more. Birthday. I'm going to have one more. I'm going to add one more. So it'll be the 5 P's. 4 is people, pets, prosperity, and peace. But this particular, I'm going to add and prosecute, because that's what they've done to Karen when she had all of this and they gleefully took it away. The 9 of Wands. That's where this case is going. Look at this. A fire element, this fiery 9 of Wands. It is not a good card. The wands are and can be spiritual, but at the same time, they can, look at this, supportive. They can be extremely damaging. And look at this, making a wrong decision in the direction that the CW is going. Gee, does that surprise anyone? It certainly does not surprise me. Supportive. What are we supportive of? What are we supportive of? I have the Piotnik deck, 36 cards, 6 different languages, and that is John. That is money. That is merriment. He went to 34 Fairview feeling that he was going to go to a party, and they're ending up in front of a judge, and he ended up at a funeral. Now, I'm not trying to be funny, but that's exactly what has happened here. He and I have talked about this. And of course, it's Karen. But this is a wonderful card for all of us to have, and that is hope. We've got to tuck in. We've got to anchor in. We have weeks of this, my darlings. And we've got to make sure that we're eating right, we're getting up and we're moving around. We're not taking all of this personally, because I'm going to tell you, prayer solves many, many things. I want you to have hope in this. I want you to be hopeful. Now, I'm going to grab another deck here. My Cartomancy buddy. There was something about this Nagel young man. Ryan Nagel, is that his name? I think so. There's something wrong there. Something's wrong. I believe he's telling the truth about how he went there. to 34 Fairview. I feel that he's telling the truth on a lot of things. But I believe that the reason that he went to 34 Fairview to pick up his sister, and they speak for 5 minutes, and then she goes back in the house, no. No, there's something else going on there. And please don't put anything like that in the chat, okay? Or in the comments, because it really puts this channel at risk. That's Ryan Nagel. John's energy, what was Ryan doing there? He did not go to pick up Julie. He went there to deliver something, is what this is showing. Now, we're going to leave it at that, because I don't like to accuse anyone, and I'm not going to. Again, entertainment purposes only. That's what this is all about. But no matter the reason he went, he saw what he saw, and I believe him. I do not believe Julie. When Julie gets on the stand, this is going to be something else. Now, Ryan called her Juliana today. That's Julie Nagel's name. Do you remember having a word? I think it was Julian. And I think it came close because there is no Juliana. It was Julian. I want you to watch these next witnesses. Tomorrow morning will be good. Ryan Nagel, that's over with. It's not anymore. It's not any of this. Goodbye. Are you leaving? Did you leave? Did you leave? Did you leave, my darling? Or are you saying these people are goodbye, or this case is goodbye? Believe me, all of these people are gambling, and it is not a win. These are not good cards right here. There's more to come. A childlike new beginning, and we have this particular card here for the Kipper. There will be poetic justice. I want you to all say, I want you to all know this. Now, maybe this energy is saying goodbye because joint. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. No comments, please. But I get that. Poetic justice is coming for these people. May is going to be a wild month. For some reason, May 9th is a date. And I'm going to tell you, the May is going to be something else. The CW will continue. They will be continuing on this course of destruction for their case. Believe me, the jury sees this. I do not have, and they are concerned about it. Their witnesses have been a disaster. And AJ and David Yannetti and all of them, the whole team has just come out with the receipts. But remember, they know more than we do, and they're going to start asking. They're going to come out, and believe me, I cannot wait till Chris hesitate. That's right. They are hesitating because when Chris Albert gets on the stand, you watch and see what they're going to do. So I love you. I want you to know everything is going to be okay. Let's keep watching. I'm going to try to do these little updates for you. An outsider. I know who he's talking about. The outsider is not Karen. The outsider will be a throwaway and will be thrown under the bus. City. So I just want you to know that more is coming. Wild things are coming. And a lot of them are going to have this to look forward to. Thank you, everyone, for being here. I love you. You know I do. I'm going to be going live as much as I can, but I'll put it in the community tabs. We are here saying, you've got this. Don't let anxiety take over for you, okay? This is a brand new beginning for the defense team, for Karen. She's got this. She should be in very good spirits because these people are a train wreck. That the Commonwealth, and you know what I keep saying? Sit down, demon. We got one more word coming, and then we're going to say goodbye. Much love to you, my darlings. Much love. With that, we're going to say goodnight. Be careful in the comments, my darlings. You be well and take care, okay? Oh boy. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.